Hi, this is Nathan Win from AA Inomatic. This is a no-nonsense channel. I will give you the information quickly and directly without having you sit through 10-20 minutes of video. Today's tips and trick will be on adding a row count and alternate coloring to a gallery. I added a gallery here, and this gallery, level 2, is pulling data from all charts level 2, a sell point list. In here, I have the branch name, the branch code, the display order within an office, and then the office code. In essence, this table is dependent of the office table, but we're not focused on filtering this data. We are adding a row count, and we're going to add alternate coloring. We will start with the row numbering. In the gallery item, we're going to take the all charts level 2 table and assign to this gallery variable. Next, we will create a for loop, and the first part of for is we are going to sequence the number of records within this gallery, happen to be 10 in this case. So there are 10 records within this table. By sequencing, we adding the number series 1 through 10. So each time it loop, it start out with 1. It will pull up the first record or record number 1 within this gallery, and it will append the value of 1 to a data field named row num. Row num is something that we are adding right now on the fly. After number 1, it will loop to number 2, the next sequence number. It will pull up record number 2, and it will assign a value of 2 to row num. It will loop through 10 in this case, but it could be 100 or 1000, depends on the data size of your gallery. Now let's take a look if the row num will carry the numbering correctly, and it does, 1 through 10. Please note, this ordering is based on the content that pull into the gallery, not at the data source. And so if we are to add a filter to this org chart based on the selection of the office, we can. So here we are adding a filter where the office of this level 2 is equal to the title. The title here is also the office code of the selected office. Let's take a look. So if we are to select OMS, the order numbering will be recalculated. Please don't be confused. The display order within the office versus the row count of the records. They are not the same. We are going to remove the filter so that we have more data to work with. And now we're going to add the alternate coloring. For that to happen, we need to go to template field. Within the template field, you simply do this: mod this item row count to equals 0, meaning if the remainder of the row number is 0, then it will have a white color background. Otherwise, we will have the grayish color, and that is reflected here. And there you have it.